Hello guys, today we start our 13 lesson number 30. I hope you hear me well, let me know about it. Write me some pluses to the chat, and in this case I will know you hear me well, and we will start to work with this beautiful scene. I'm just open. So, yeah. Hello, and so probably we will start. Ah, um, yeah, important one thing. Um, today we start our last week of the lessons. So today and two more lessons left. So we have three more lessons today, day after tomorrow, and on Friday. So next week and two next weeks, you will have a possibility to send us your scene and receive the help on the chat. And one more important thing, I will record a few comments during these weeks. I mean from 25 till 5th of August. Probably it will be two, maybe three comments. I don't know which day it will be. Something like Tuesday, maybe Thursday, something like this. And here the same: Tuesday, maybe Thursday, maybe Wednesday, something like this. I will tell you about this on Friday, today, on this week Friday. Please, guys, do not let your work till the late dates. Right now I see some of you just start sending me modeling of interior, and that's not so good. That is too little bit too late, but never mind. Continue working, and we will waiting for your work. Okay, let's go. And right now I will work with this beautiful scene. I already opened it, and I did just one small thing. I opened prune scene and clean it, because it's always a long time for exteriors, and with this scene this is not so long, but anyway, it takes several minutes, so I already did it. Okay, of course I will open render system. I will change to FStorm and go back to Corona. Today we will work with the Corona render. Let's check the shaders. Yeah, here is good. Everything's good. I will put everywhere the same shader. Legacy. I will make it darker, something like 70. I think it will be enough. Maybe not. Right now I don't know, but who cares? Zero 6. That's okay. Here is some glass. Let's open the. This is grass. Did we have some glass layer? No. Why you don't have? All of you don't have thickness. Oh, of course I know we have this option in the shaders, thin, but never mind. That's not so good. To be honest, I would like to make inner amount. Yeah, that's better Alt X, yeah. And here we have some problem. Welcome. Okay, I delete this vertex. Let's add. Look like everything's okay. Yeah, I just check. Better to check than trying to work with the faults. What else? The water here. Oh, interesting thing. It looks like here is I will put it to one more additional layer. And I will hide it, and with this geometry, of course I will leave it in this way, but I'm almost sure it should have bigger deepness. No, I already convert, but this is mistake, I think. Let's work with the polygon here. Some mess of geometry, to be honest. Okay. You should be a little bit more careful with this kind of geometry, because this is important and not so difficult to build it without any troubles. What's happened here? Looks like everything is okay, but I can't work with this. Yeah, here is some mess of geometry. It can't be in this way, of course. It's a little bit too difficult, and okay, I will leave it. But better fix it somehow. Not only fix it, you should build good model. This is important. Okay, I will go to the camera. I will use only background. Yeah, if you use some houses, they should stand on the ground. So better if you will have, if these houses will have some ground, because of many options. First of all, that is geometry, of course. First that is lighting. Yeah, from HDRI map we can receive the lighting from above, and we don't need it for sure. So that is okay. What this? This looks good. I will not use these shaders, this geometry for sure. I don't like this grass too, so I will delete it. What else can we have here? And probably we have here. I will unhide everything. Here we have some bushes. Here we have some that's nice. I don't need it. I don't need Corona shader for sure. Better if you work with this type of work, find the possibility to solve this type of problem. And as I can see, you have a problems with the modeling, so please improve your skills with this. This is important. Try to model something maybe every day. You will have better result, good geometry. This is a opportunity to have good lighting and probably no any problems. Lighting stage. To be honest, much better and easier. That is receive here. Get here geometry without turbo smooth, because to be honest we don't need here turbo smooth. We can do the same manually. Of course that is important geometry and we should work with this geometry, but that's not too long, but much better. Oh, but here is not. Let's weld. Ring, yeah, connect, yeah, that's better. One more, that's okay. In my opinion, that's not too difficult. Make this kind of geometry, but much better result in the end. We can try to put here some mesh smooth, but of course I don't like these wide angles. Yeah, when we convert this to editable poly, we receive much more detailed mesh, and I like it very much. And right now we can put here your noise. To be honest, we don't need it here, but we can add it and find some nice result. Try to find nice result. 50, that is too much maybe, but why? Let it be. Maybe closer geometry, but for what? Okay, let's leave it in this way. Okay, maybe we will put some geometry. We will take some pixel vertices here. I will put here some self-selection with a big size, something like, yeah, 1.5, and I will make it a little bit higher. Same here. Here is, I don't need it. Okay. On the right side it should be higher, it looks like. Let's change the curve here. Yeah, like this. So what else? Maybe somewhere else too. For example, here. No. Maybe bigger. We will have some wave on the ground. It will be not so flat. I think that's nice. So let's continue with the grass, with the lighting. Yeah, let's start with the lighting. I think where we are here. Where is sun? Where is grass? Glass. Yeah, I hide it. What this? This is the lighting, light source. Yes, of course I need to delete all lights. V-ray light for sure. So let's put here some sun. Somewhere here. And I will move it somehow, and maybe I will try to, maybe I will hide trees first of all, where the I don't have a layer with a that's what we need. Okay, let's continue. And I think I will start the render. And I will see how it looks. So where the sun, I put it here, of course. Let's do a new layer. Okay, that's good. Oh, we have some render setting here. Render hidden geometry. No. What's the problem here? Why this object not receive lighting? Normals. Is the trouble with the normals? That's why I always told you try to work carefully with the model. But no. Here's everything's okay. Object properties. I don't know what the problem. I will detach this geometry. Okay, let's try one more time. Yeah, right now it's much better. Glass. Okay, I will hide it. What else? Can we see any other problem? I'm not. Direct input. The color will be white or almost white. That's better. Of course, I will make it much powerful, but a little bit later. And I will roll the sun because I would like to receive this type of shadows here. So let's put it higher, where it should end, yeah? Somewhere here. And it looks like stronger. Yeah, like this. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Maybe higher. Something like this looks nice. Okay, maybe I will use only white color. Without white color, we will receive less problems. Okay, let's unhide the trees. Maybe we'll receive something nice. Maybe not. Probably we will work with these bushes, but I'm not sure about trees because you know, I don't have any answer because I'm not sure about them. That's only one reason I have. So I will move this render frame to the right button, right screen, and I will move this tree, and yeah. So I can work with these trees, but these trees not in the sun side, but this is absolutely sunny. So we should change it somehow. Probably these trees looks not so bad, but here is some I don't know, difficult situation, and I will try to use this tree for the shadow. But here looks like too much, not enough of holes inside the tree. We need more. So we can do it in this way. I will show you. We can delete some leaves. So let's work with the mesh. Select ID. Select one. This is trunk. I can detach it. Whereas 2 we don't have 2, whereas 3 we don't have 3, or we have something. Right now we will select all the leaves, yeah. Detach. Yep. I will continue work only with these trees. For select, we have something. To be honest, we can select some of them and we can delete exactly them. For example, this number 4, number 5, select. We can select number 5 and delete them too, if we will need. So let's attach number 3, because there is a lot of leaves with this number. And I will see how it looks. Maybe it will look good, maybe not. Yeah, that's better. Maybe not enough, but better. Let's delete number 4, number 5. We will receive less of leaves one more time. Little bit more, but still not enough. Six. If we have number 6. Yeah, we have it. But it looks like 7. I will delete number 7 too. 8. Delete number 8. 9. No, we don't. So right now we have only number 3 as I understand, yeah? Yeah, only number 3. Okay, we can delete part of the number 3 too. That's not a problem. If we will need it, I will show you how. That will be a nice experience. Probably, I'm not sure we need it. But I would like to have here more light, so I will move the trees. I will try to understand which tree give us this result. Probably I'm sure this one, yeah? Let's check if I will move it. Because we need this tree for the... It should be here, and this tree should give us nice result. In 2 different kinds. Yeah, that looks exactly how we need. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. What else we need? I will move this 3, or maybe make... Okay, I will show you how to make less of leaves if we already have already geometry. So we will go to them. I will pick up the leaves number 3. I will detach them again. Yep. Okay, and I will put here modifier material by element. I will number 3 and number 4, something like 50. Yeah, I know there is can be like 50 of this and 50 of this. So I will leave number 3 and I will left number 3 and number 4. So I converted to editable. Oh, maybe poly, maybe mesh. That's never mind right now. And I will choose right now number 4. That is 50% of them. It's number 4. So I will delete half of these leaves. That's pretty much. And I will attach this geometry. It becomes mesh again, so everything's okay. I can choose number 3. Yeah, and that is this leaves is number 3. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, some leaves is number 4, still number 4, so I can select number 4 and delete it again, but that is a little bit strange. So we have just number 3 right now. Yeah, of course we will receive not so, yeah, everything's okay. We will get not so much more light than we need, but I will copy these 3 because we need to have the shadows somewhere here too, and that gives us nice result, I think. Yeah, but probably I like this result too. Okay, I will move them somewhere. For example, I will move these 3 somewhere here. I would like to hide this place. Probably it can be instance, no? Of course I want to hide this field. But the table should be on the sunny side. Maybe rotate because the shape of shadows should be different. But here is not enough of trees, but I don't see the leaves at all here. I'm not sure why. I will find them. Probably we have them on the geometry, but why we don't have it on the render? There was a hide, and that's why I'm not apply this shader to the bushes. So let's check how it will looks again one more time. Yeah, that's better. And I will put I don't know, I will move this tree a little bit because um, I would like to receive here a little bit more sunny side. Maybe sunny. This tree should be with a shadow. I should be very careful with this effect because on one hand I need to hide a lot of sun, but on the other hand I need to uh, leave a lot of sunlight. Oh, that looks good, I think. Okay, and I will move it again because I want to have here a lot of shadows. And to be honest, I understand this is these trees. Yep, that's better. Yep, that's better. I think that's much better. Okay, let's work with the first plan. We need to have here shadows too, exactly here. So maybe I will do it in this way, no? Of course, I would like to catch it. I would like to hide this. Light. But to be honest, I like the result. Maybe I would like to have a little bit different shape of the lighting. But that's good. Here is a little bit too dark. A lot of attention to the first plant, but a lot of attention, yeah, that's true, but to be honest, I like this attention. Right now, most interesting places here. And here is too dark. Yes, that's nice. Yeah, I like it, but I want to hide this light a little bit. I want to make it not so bright. The shadows. I killed the shadows, absolutely. Oh, but here is good. If I will delete somehow this light, maybe one more tree, but I don't want to make it bigger. Yeah, in this case I can yeah, that's better. I hide the light here, but I receive the nice and probably a lot of light here, and that's what I need. Can I hide it? I would like to maybe receive some points here, light points. Okay, which tree can give me this result? Yeah, this is combination of all trees. So if I will move these two trees somewhere, I will receive the nice. Oh, that's good. Here we have yeah, that's nice. Here we have this light, here we have this light. So, moving of these three, this is a work, and in the end of this work, we receive nice result, and this is important, of course. Okay, I will leave them here. Glass. I will take all of this glass. I will put here another shader, of course, and with a black color, with a refraction, I will fix the glossiness. I will put the shader to this geometry. Yeah, and later I will make some color for them, but right now it's not. Okay, I like the shape of the lighting. It looks nice, and I will looks nice. Looks nice mean in my opinion I received this summer, maybe not summer, maybe June or beginning of the May or somewhere there. Yeah, so that is first part of the greenery when everything grows, and but probably a lot of leaves somehow, I don't know how, but never mind. I like this. Let's continue working, and what exactly we will do. I will one more thing I don't like. The bushes have a lot of space between the grass, white places. I don't like them. That's why I will make them lower. Better to let's try to see how it looks. And maybe I can put some tree in this place to hide these holes and to receive more shadow here. Get more shadow. Yeah, but that's better. Let's add here one more tree for hide the shadows. That will be nice too. Yeah, that will better. Okay, what's next? Next point is finding background clouds. To be honest, to find a nice cloud, that is difficult task, so I need to watch a few of them. For example, the approaching storm. Let's try to use this. And yeah, important thing, to be honest, we don't need to get exactly this type of clouds. We need to have a nice clouds, and that's most important thing. So that not mean we should repeat exactly this type of clouds. This is important for our understanding. So let's directly visible. Oh, I will stop the render because I will wait 1 million hours. Corona bitmap. To be honest, I don't like this background. In my opinion, cloud layers, that's much better. I will try it. Okay. So everything's okay. Let's put here color correction and corona color correction. Maybe we will need brightness only in corona color correction. We have brightness. I mean exactly this option. And yeah, one more time. Do you remember sunlight, then background, visible background, and only after this we can put here shadow, color or HDRI map for receiving some information inside shadows. So be careful with this. I like it. I don't know, but nothing. Just nothing. I can't tell anything about this sky. $60 was nice. This is nice too. Nothing special. Here is a lot of greenery, but okay, never mind. Let's make it brighter. And to be honest, that looks good. Only one thing, that is this background, because if we will use another type of greenery or color of greenery, this color will not help us. So better to not to show it at all. So maybe I will rotate a little bit more to find new angle, new camera angle. $60 was nice too, but without this greenery it should be lighter. Let's rotate 120. No. 150. Oh, here is some mess. But maybe another side. Hmm. Let's try to work with vignetting, because when we will edit, the cloud will become darker, but here is not. Maybe this type of clouds. Lighter, we don't see anything. Probably nothing special on the background, but looks good. Let's try to work with this. If not, we will think about it later. So what's next? Next, that is, I think that is visible to reflection, something. To be honest, we can try to put it everywhere here. What we will see on the reflections, here we see something, but here is not. Why? Excuse me, why? Because we need to have light clouds here, so it should be different. It should be one and the same map, but another road and another. Let's route it somehow. Exactly for reflection. Oh, let's try to do it in the different way. Can we have some reflection? No. Why? Why we don't see any reflection here? Let's do it in the different way. For example, I will make reflection higher and higher. So I see the reflection. So why I can't see it? Oh, I see them here. So the question is IOR. Aha, yeah, I understand. We don't see, we see only the clouds. So that's okay. Can we work with this? Yes, but okay, I understand. We need to put here some trees. Exactly for the reflections. Okay, so that is our angle. Yeah, so the tree should be somewhere here. Yeah. In the bottom part, as you can see, we have nothing. I think I will route this tree somehow. Not tree, background. To be honest, I would like to route it in different way, because here is two dark clouds on the behind us. So I will route them somehow. Why I don't see anything here? It should gives me great opportunity, but not. And I will put here some wall, because I don't want to work with a long background. But of course, for real project, better for me put here some the same building as we have. Yeah, in this way I hide a lot of background, and I can copy the bushes. Select similar. I will hide some of them. Stop the render. I will take only this. Yeah. Somewhere here. I will put them closer to the, yeah, and I don't want to fight with this geometry, so I will make something like this. Yeah, that's better. Let's check how it looks. Yeah, here we should have in the reflection some plants. Yeah, we already have them. So what else? About this tree, I will copy it and I will put it somewhere here. I will make it smaller, and I will make something like bush from this tree, and this bush will be somewhere here, closer. I will turn off this denoiser because I don't see anything with it. That's nice, but not enough. I will move it to the fans. Maybe I will put it somewhere here to hide this hole. Let's do it again. I will make the IOR here much higher. We will see the reflections much better. Yeah, that's better. And I will copy this tree a few times. And we need to copy them for these reflections. Maybe better to put here some forest park or something like this, because we will need to copy them a lot of times. I'm not sure that's a good idea to do it manually. Yeah. And I will put some trees to receive the shadows over there. Maybe I will move these fans, and in this case I will receive some sun to these bushes. And the translucency will look much better. With the bushes than without them. Let's stop the render temporarily, of course, but I will make this bush longer. This is not so comfortable to work with gray shader for all objects, but never mind. Okay. Anyway, you understand what you should do. Here we should close something, but okay. You should put here some trees, but right now it's much better. Much better. Maybe we should do something for the background, because I'm not understand why it. I need to have possibility to make it lighter. Yeah, like here. Maybe with a 0 here, but export, no. Here is not 0, maybe 4, because the color changed. Excuse me, but no. No. Do you see this purple color starts? That's not nice. Maybe I will roll it somehow. And find some nicer place. No, but anyway, everywhere we have this. So let's leave it in here. Okay, so higher here. Of course, we will put here some something, but right now is very interesting and again important thing. Here is some hole, so you should fix, but probably I should fix it. I would like to find this problem. Come on! Oh, this bush in the middle of the pool, that's nice. Okay, that's clear for me. Usual thing. Everybody think we are genius in the modeling. This is not important. Daniel will show us something much more interesting with the lighting. That's why we will make creepy geometry. Yeah? Guys, geometry, this is like you wake up in the morning and brush your teeth. The same with the geometry. Your geometry should be perfect. Of course, I can say the geometry should be difficult. No, but just good geometry without problems. Do you hear me? Give me some noise. Let me know you hear me well and give me some pluses in the beginning. In the beginning of what? Right now. Just give me some pluses. Thank you guys. Here is still I fixed one problem, but second still is. Let's try again. Yeah, little bit better. Still we have some second problem, but I will not fight with them because I spent too much time for this. Please do not do this type of mistakes. Okay, the next step is real shadows. I will try to build it separately. Of course, for the start I will try to put the same HDRI map to the lighting source, but there we have some sunlight, so probably we will change it. Just for understanding. Yeah, we have some sunlight and I don't want to have it. So let's go to find another shader, another HDRI map. What we need? We need a lot of shadows, no any sun. Probably that's all. So what we can take, to be honest, I would like to try something like this one. Usually this type of HDRI maps gives us a lot of shadows, a lot of contrast between light and shadow. Not every time, but they give. And of course we will need to desaturate them because everything will be green right now. I will put it here. Brightness 0. I will try to road it, but I think that's not my good HDRI for me. Okay, let's try to make it more contrast. No. And I'm not sure why we receive so blue light. We need, everything should be green. But single map, am I use this HDRI map? Nothing special here. It can't be in this way. What the problem here? I don't know. Let's roll it a little bit. But no. You know, I will build new HDRI map. I will delete this and this, and I will put here something new. What else? I had some, maybe like this, present mode. Let's try. Okay. Let's try how it works. But I still don't understand how this HDRI map gives us this absolutely not real result for this map. It can't be in this way. Absolutely no. This is impossible. What the problem can be? Let's stop the render. That's nice situation. I will try to fix it. I will fix it, of course, but we shall know. I will open new max. I will put here this HDRI map and I will try how it works. But I'm absolutely sure it should give us absolutely another result. Legacy. Let's go there. New file without any changes. Corona bitmap, the same map. But no, here are the same. Strange, but okay. If yes, that means yes. This map gives us this result. Unbelievable, but fact is fact. So let's work a little bit with the... Oh, probably for this place it looks good. For the background. Okay, I will roll it a little bit. I will try to make it maybe more contrast, maybe darker. Corona color correction. General color correction. Because I would like to receive much darker result, of course. Yeah, maybe a few times darker more, and I will roll them because I would like to have lighting from above. It will looks better. Here we receive nice result. Let's turn off the sun. Turn on the sun. We made it only for some differences in the lighting. Where is my sun? Where is my sun? I deleted. How can I delete it? Oh, that's worst news. I will try to open it. View, list, maybe view, details. Today's 18. maybe here. I will take the I will try to take the sun from another scene, or I will try to put new sun, or Control Z, something like this. Here is no any light. Here is 2. Let's try to go back with a Control Z. Maybe I did it not so long time ago. Oh, here is it. Thank you, God. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Okay, everything's okay. I have it. So, what's next? Yeah, I will roll it again. That's not worst situation. Yeah, and I will make it lower. That's how I will receive darker result. Yeah, no. What the problem starts with this scene, or with me? Okay, I made them darker. Thank you. That's not what I need. To be honest, no any difference for us right now, because we already received nice shadows here. Oh, this is not too much. 250, 190, 180, probably. Yeah, all of this looks similar. Let's turn on the visible background, visible sun. Yep, the shadows become much more detailed in this way, and we receive nice blue color of the shadows. That's what we need. Okay, let's go back to the render settings. I will put all of this. Yeah, we will continue work with this. Yeah, we can check the differences between for example, this shader and some blue color like this one. Yeah, but probably we will understand it pretty fast, because our shadows in this case much more poor. Yeah, not so interesting. Of course, render goes faster, but in this case the shadows much more interesting, detailed, and that's why we fighting with this. Yeah, so that is where we need to be. So what else? we should did. Let's start working. Maybe a little bit lower exposure. What this? Oh, this is here, is it? Yeah, this is visible. Nice. Let's try to do it here. I will put here exposure. No. So let's leave it. No, here is better. Little bit, but better. Of course, I will turn off the bloom glare. I will hide this problem, and to be honest, I will fix it in Photoshop. I will hide it somehow, but right now I will leave it here. Here is better, and maybe in this way I will rotate it a little bit to hide this problem, because to be honest, I don't like it. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's go back to the glass shader. Of course, I will make it not so bright. Yep, but maybe like this, why not? And I will put here some small color, little bit of color, maybe. Yeah, like this, maybe a little bit warmer. No, of course it depends of the lighting and everything else. Okay, and I will work with the gray material shader. I will make it much warmer, not much, but warmer, because all my shaders warm, and they should be warm. Yeah, the feeling should be like this. Okay, and that's how I will kill the cold feeling here. Okay, I will make it a little bit lighter. Maybe not little bit. Yeah. Closer to yellow, 27. Yeah, that's better. And to be honest, that's good. Maybe not so saturated, less saturated. Okay. So I like it. That feel good. We have received small piece of blue in the reflection. I like it, but all other things looks good too, so we can continue. And I think we can continue with the grass. Yeah, so I will close this and I will open Quixel. I'm looking for grass. Let's try to we need to use some small grass like this. Yeah. So okay, I already have this grass, so I will export to my max. Maybe I will receive exported successfully. I forget to made a new where they are. They here. Where is here? That's good. Okay, so let's work with this grass. Okay. I will delete it from here. I don't need any test. Create new view, grass. Okay, I will take the texture. That's okay. I will take this shader too. I will copy it and I will copy it and I will put here opacity. Yeah. So I will use this shader with the same color but with the good opacity. So probably I can delete this shader. So right now it's good. Okay. Let's work. Oh. Where's my forest pack? Oh. Camera clipping, no. Close. I will take this. Recommend to use, no, later. Later I will make it, no. And this. Yeah, all of these different clear. What else I need to do? Transform. Let's do it from the first moment. Display. Use color ID. Point clouds. Distribution. Full. Smaller. And I think I will work with them. I will make them smaller. Something like 60 till 70. Maybe. I don't know. But I will try. That's good, but the grass still big, and Let's make it like 40, 45. Of course, distribution will be smaller. And of course, I will go to the surface and put here direction 0. In this way, I receive a little bit more variable result of this geometry. And of course, I don't like this. I should cut it, and later I will show you how. And to be honest, I don't like there is too wild grass. Maybe I will make one smart thing. Smaller. And am I need to make it smaller or not? Yes, I need to make it smaller, but let's do it 35 and 40. Or not 40, 37. Small difference. Yeah, that's much better, and I think I will stay with this result. So, what's next? How I can cut the trees here. I'm sure you already saw my video about forest pack, and you already know it very well. I will make it with a rectangle. Where my camera, where I need to put it. Oh, here, yeah, that's great, thank you. Okay. I will add this spline to this forest. Erase plus exclude. Yeah, that's okay. I need to go, exclude or, okay, edge, and I need to put here general F forest pack, where you forest edge, yeah, that's good. Let's try. I'm sure I forget nothing. But it sounds like I need... No, everything's okay. No, not okay. I still have the grass. This grass cut this bot. So I will try to rotate a little bit. So that's clear, but what the problem inside the grass cutting? It looks like we cut it, but some of the pieces don't want to work with this. Okay, let's check it again. Is it works or not? Areas, yeah. For example, point. Yeah. So everything works. I did everything right. So why some of the objects doesn't want to work? Or maybe it depends of position of this spline. So let's move it again. Maybe we should have renew something. Yeah, maybe like this. But this is only one tool for doing something like this, because no any tool have give us some similar result. So everything's okay. I will make them a little bit closer. Yeah. But to be honest, honest, I move the camera a little bit. To be honest, I don't. What's green? Ah, this is glass. Perfect. Yeah. So everything's okay. But not okay. Maybe this is not a grass. Maybe this is some reflections. Because it can't give us the half of result. Or works or not. Okay, I will cut it over there. Anyway, we will check the final result on the final render, and but no. I understand where the problem. I forget to paste some the shader to some of my objects. Only that's why. No? Maybe I forget to delete this shader from some object. Because this is absolutely workable situation. This is okay, I will put it here. Because to be honest, I don't understand why it don't want to work with me. maybe just for, I will try to start the exactly final render. And yeah, guys, as you understand, we will continue work a little bit. Of course, we can make short break for the 10 minutes, something like. And in a 10 minutes, we will continue. I don't understand. It looks like it works, but sometimes not. We will fix it. No, it looks like we really have this geometry here, but how it works? Half of geometry works, but some object not. I'm understand it well. So let's try to fix it somehow. Okay, I don't know, I will build a new geometry or circle, for example this one and here. And maybe let's work only with this geometry, it will be faster. Yep. So I will put here this circle and I would like to exclude it, maybe include edge, maybe in this way. Maybe that's why he don't want move it in edit poly. Nice try. But no. What exactly I need to convert to editable poly? As you can see, some of them works, some of them not. You mean main geometry converted editable poly, main grass elements? I don't know how it works. Okay, let's do it, because I have now a lot of ideas what exactly I should to do. Poly, all of them. Maybe Rosetics form. Maybe exactly these geometries may be broken, maybe something like this. Rosetics form is selected, convert to editable poly, maybe, why not? And one more I will do it in this way. Edit geometry, detach. Okay, and with the other the same. Control A, detach. Maybe some problem with geometry. Okay, here is Control A, detach, delete. So I need to rebuild it again. Geometry. I will delete all of them and I will put them again. To be honest, I can work only with the with geometry without problems. For example, this one. Let's try to see how it looks. I don't know, we still have this problem. Maybe our shape is something low, something like this. Maybe it depends of resolution, but probably not, but maybe I will put here another, to the forest pack I will put another example of the grass. Interesting, but nah. Proxy animation and time. Exclude. Let's do it in a different way. Include. Okay, include and surface area, something like this. Why not? Let's try in a different way. It can works. But here are the same. Absolutely great, but only one little bit strange. Maybe another example of the grass, because I never meet this type of problems. Okay, let's try to use another grass. Maybe it depends of the size, transform. I change the size. Only this idea I have. So I will fix it. I will change the size scale again. And we will check it. Right now, this geometry will upload here. Okay, and I will leave it somewhere here. Okay, let's try to do it last. Let's try to give him last chance, maybe. Maybe that's why. Oh. Let's try here. Oh. 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 Balloon. Excuse me. Tin. Exclude. Let's try in this way. If yes, it will be too stupid to be truth. Here we have, that looks like shadow, not. Okay, I will roll the camera, fly loader. That looks like shadow. So let's try to. But yes, here is flat line without any problem. So let's check it one more time to know this situation for the future, because I never met this type of haha. Yes, we kick it. So great, thanks. So excuse me guys, but I never met this type of problem. Okay, let's go back to the camera and continue work with the forest pack. So dead leaves. Next step, that is dead leaves, and we should find them somewhere here. Somewhere here, somewhere here. But here is, as you can see, not flat leaves. Oh. Of course, let's check them, but no, what? It looks good. Because most of the of these objects are not, they are flat. This is not geometry. Most of this object is just texture. And right now I know only 2 models of dead leaves. And to be honest, I'm not sure this is leaf. This is model. That looks like flat texture. Yeah. So I will go to the Max 3 models, Max 3 number or 12 or 21, and somewhere, not here, 21, and somewhere in the end yeah, we have the models. of dead leaves. Okay, let's 21. Let's use Corona, but this is not so important. Oh, that leaves somewhere in the beginning. Yeah, here is it. I will stop the render. And I will put the dead leaves merge file. Yeah, that is the models, but I will try to find something a little bit more interesting, because they're not so interesting too. So let's check these leaves we just I just don't load. As I understand, this is just a texture. Okay, yeah. Everything clear here. I think this is it, yeah? Yes. So, but maybe try to work with this, no? They have displacement. Yeah, that's good, but size is too small, I think, yeah? Something like this will be better. Okay, I will convert it to editable poly, and I need to cut it somehow. I will cut it with a cut. Where are you? Yeah, here is it. I'm trying to make not too much of polygons. Okay, let's detach, detach, detach. Detach, 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 detach. Oh, I forgot about this huge piece. So okay. Detach, detach, detach. So what else we have here? Probably nothing, or almost nothing. So we can work with all this geometry with the forest pack. I will take the sun, I will take the this ground. Probably I will hide the temporary grass, and later I will put here one more. Yeah, great. Why camera clipping? Of course not. We'll make it again. Camera clipping, no. That's okay. And I will add here geometry. I think this object, that is, no. Okay, I will. What the name of this object? Object number 40, something like 40. Add. Okay. I will. First of all, I need the displacement on them. And I will use this shader. Of course, I will put this opacity. And I will use displacement on it. Chrono displacement with this shader. Yeah, that's okay. Let's try to work here. Okay, almost zero, so everything's okay. I will make much more less, and I will try to see the nice result. How high them should be. but still, that's why I'm trying to find the geometry. But okay, right now we will work with this, and later we will think, later we will try to find something exactly with a better geometry. Okay, where is my grass? Okay, let's let's work here. We'll turn on the grass. And okay, part of this object effect we receive with the displacement. As you understand, displacement gives us possibility to move it higher, but this is not comfortable, to be honest. And better. Oh, let's go there and change the name and rebuild it, because we still have strange shaders, probably default shaders. Yeah. And we can put this shader here. And let's add him default, and I will make them closer to each other. And one more thing, of course I will cut it from this place. This is, we already know how to make it, but that's not the main point for me right now. The main point for me right now, put them lower, and higher and lower we can make them with a transform, yeah, somewhere here, and rotate. But with rotation, this is my most important thing is for me, in my opinion. Let's yeah, okay, I will turn off the grass. So right now our that leaves all of them horizontal, but they should be vertical too. So how we can do this? We can rotate here, but something like 30 30 minus 30 30, maybe more. Yeah, and one more thing, the points, they should have the normal good points, because right now it's not. Yeah, and for ZX form for sure. So that means we should put here one more time, yeah. And maybe add them here. Geometry, delete, and yeah, put one more time. So let's check how that looks right now. Not enough. Okay. Yeah, in this way they can be vertical, but I'm not sure they need to be vertical. And to be honest, I don't want to make them to move them by x and y, but z minus 12 and minus 12. In this case, they will be lower. Let's check with the grass. Maybe more. I don't know. Here is no any. I have no idea which parameter is it. This is not millimeters. This is not centimeters. This is not inches. I don't know what it is, but they should be lower. And maybe not 60 because it's too much. Maybe 200. More. 300. But already it's better, but yeah, but right now it's much better. Maybe 400. Let's try. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Okay, that's good. But somewhere we should have more of these leaves. So let's stop the render. And Control V. In this way, I duplicate this forest park. Control V. Yeah. No. Okay, let's build new one. But I don't know why you don't work. Let's move them. Copy. That's okay. And I will try to work with them. Yeah, right now I will show you what I will do. I will make them much more often. No, this is too often. Maybe 3,000. How often they will be there? Oh, yeah, of course. So maybe this is too much. Maybe 8. No, this will be not enough. 5,000. Let's try from this. And I will try it. No, it doesn't work. 8. Yeah. So right now everything works. So Maybe that is too much, maybe 12. Yeah, that's much better, I think. So let's stop it and let's put it somewhere. For example, area, turn on, paint brush, include something like 500. Oh, let's try with this. And I will draw them somewhere here. Yeah. And probably from around this tree, they should be. I don't know why, but there should be more of this. Maybe 500, that is not enough. So what's next? I will go to the density and I will make them. Yeah, I think I will make something like this. I need bigger amount. No, include. Yeah. I think during 1 meter will looks good. So let's check how it looks in the scene. Probably with the forest park we can play in long time, and that is nice tool to add a lot of details, probably to whole scene. Of course we can delete it somewhere, for example from here. I'm sure we don't need them here, but never mind, you understand how it works, and you can do it without me easily. I don't need you for this because we spend a lot of time right now for this, and we should continue working. But right now our scene looks pretty detailed, and we finally we can go to the colors. But let's do some break, something like 10 minutes, maybe 8 minutes till the 2050, and in 8 minutes we will back and continue this lesson. We will work a little bit with the shaders. I will show you how to make the grass greenery, something like this. Yeah, okay, thank you guys, and see you in 8 minutes.